Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OPPO A2x. And let's start with the first one, and it will be on how to call anyone from your contacts list with Google Assistant. All you have to do is provide Google Assistant with their name. And let's try it. Hey Google, call my mom. Hey Google, call my mom.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next is to send a message from anyone from your contacts list, and also you can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate 3 burgers.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
Okay, moving on, we have a command to translate anything in different languages, and you can also add what should be translated, and your phone will speak out loudly this translation. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate 3 burgers.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem 3 burgery.
Okay, moving on, we have a command to check the calories in our food, and you can ask Google for it. Hey Google, how many calories in 3 burgers?
according to Fat Secret, there are 824 calories in 3 hamburgers.
Okay, and last one will be to find your phone. If you lost it somewhere in your house or in your room, you can ask Google Assistant with the phrase "Where are you?" or tell it to play any song, and it will make a sound, which will be easy to find your phone. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in Google's cloud, so technically, I still live with my parents.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.